So in this video, you learn how to temporarily mute your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you only want to put your fold in mute for a couple of minutes or even just an hour and then unmute it, then you can always use the temporarily mute feature. So in order for you to do that, you have to start by navigating to settings. Once you're in settings, you're then going to scroll and select this option, sounds and vibration. From here, you're then going to choose mute because your phone needs to be in mute so that you can use this feature. And then you should see it temporarily mute. So in order for you to use it, you're just going to tap on the toggle to enable it. And then you're going to choose how long you want it muted for. So by default, it's set to an hour. But if you tap on it, you can choose the time period you want. So you have 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or you can tap on custom and create your own timer for how long your phone is going to be muted. So you have up to 23 hours and even 59 minutes. So it's up to you to decide how long you want your device to be muted for. And once you're happy, you're just going to tap on done to save the changes. So from here, now your device or your Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be muted for that specific amount of time that you've chosen. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.